to unban your multiple WhatsApp business numbers. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search whatsapp.com. In here, simply scroll down and search for Contact Us. Simply click on Contact Us and it will lead you to this page. Here, click on WhatsApp Support Contact Us. After that, in here, add your phone number, email address, confirm email address. After you've confirmed your email address, scroll down and click on How do you use WhatsApp. After you're in How do you use WhatsApp, select your device and please enter your message below. You can simply give a valid reason why they can unban your multiple WhatsApp business numbers, and then press on next step and submit it. After you do that, WhatsApp will get back to you and solve your issue. This is how to unban your multiple WhatsApp business numbers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.